All right, Alan, doing a personal Super Sixer mixer. Here we go. So the one from the break, it had what, 3 basketball, 2 baseball, and a football. So let's see what this breakdown is. Last box of this I've got. I will do my darndest to find some more, but it's tough to do when they only make 40 boxes. So let's see what we got here. I think it's the same, because I think these were baseball. That one's football and 3 basketball. And you got a Marcus Mariota. Marcus Mariota. All right, let's just man, how about we should do the lightest ones last, because they're typically the single carders. I don't know. Whew. Your baseball ones are light as a feather. Let's just see what happens. We'll do your basketball first. I have a hunch that your baseball packs are going to be where it's at, but this one's pretty light too. No, none of these can. I mean, I've got some product in. These ones I don't have any more of, but I've certainly got some. This is a single card basketball, 1 carder. It's usually a good thing. Usually a good thing. Is that Davis? It is. Anthony Davis, 9.5 Gem Mint, 12/13 Unlimited Potential Signatures autograph, number 88 of 99 with a 10 auto. 9.5 10 auto. Anthony Davis. I think that's rookie year for him. This one's really heavy. Too many Chiefs in one thing. But Ken, for real, I'm going to try to get more. I think this might be 1 card too. It's just a huge one. It is. What the heck? Dennis Rodman. Ooh. You are a half grade away from a black label. 10-10-10-9-5. Dennis Rodman Pristine. 81 of 91 patch. Wow. Okay. Ken, for real, I'll let you know. This was literally, Ken, we didn't know about this product. And Monday it was solicited. We had to have our orders in immediately. And it shipped Tuesday. So it was like we had no window at all to like figure out how much we needed. They only made 40 boxes, so it went away quickly. All right, this one is packed to the gills. You might have 2 graded cards in here. Oh, 1 grade and 1 magnetic, I think. All right, here we go. It's nice, David Robinson. Mint 9 for National Treasures, honestly, for an NT card. Mint 9 is pretty darn good. That is numbered 15 of 25. David Robinson jersey autograph. Alan, sounds good. Oh, jeez. What is this? From 12-13 Immaculate. Check this one out. Boom! Blake Griffin, patch auto, 17 of 50, on card and everything. That is dirty. Blake Griffin on card, patch auto. That was a sick one. Woo! Man, maybe I should have saved the basketball for last. That Blake is amazing. All right, football. I don't know which way to go. Well, you're gonna like this. There's a ton of cards in this pack. 4 maybe? I think you're gonna like it though. We've got a rookie ticket autograph of Von Miller. And who is that? Lewis, you know who this is? 1/1 James Laurinaitis patch. I think it's from NT. Yep, from NT 2015 NT. Wow, this is from the brand new NT football. That's crazy. Next, 12/15 Dan Hampton from, I think that's the new Flawless. Yep, that is the new Flawless. How crazy is that? This stuff is like brand new product. Next, Roger Craig by the letter autograph to 99. How many? 1, 2, there were 5 cards in this. You're going to like the last one. Numbered 42/50, DeMarco Murray, cracked ice, Topps Chrome, rookie. It's the Atomic Refractor, I think is what they call it. Atomic Refractor, rookie auto from Topps Chrome of DeMarco Murray to 50. That is a beautiful card. Very difficult. All right. Baseball, 2 packs of it. One card. One card. He goes this way. Miguel Cabrera to 50. Tier 1 autograph. He's like freaking DeMarco. All right. Excellent box, sir. Final pack. Baseball. 1 graded card. Oh boy. I think it's great. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I know who that was. Uh-oh. Oh boy. Sweet Sigs, Derek Jeter. 9 mint with a 10 autograph from 01 Fleer Showcase. Wow. The captain. Derek Jeter. Allen. There you have it.